Good morning, Princeton. I forgot to record the Zoom, so I just real quick wanted to jump on here to tell you what we talked about for the Zoom, so that way you would be able to do your activity later. We are learning about what verbs are. Verbs is an action, anything that you can do. So some of the verbs that we said were walking, running, talking, singing, dancing, brushing. One of our friends was brushing their hair when they joined. That is a verb. One of our friends is on their way to a hotel. So we talked about what she might do at the pool. That's a verb. And she said swimming. That's another one. A friend said playing. Can you think of a verb or an action? Maybe tell it to your brother or your mom. See what an action is. So today you have an activity that I wanted to show you. It's going to be Valentine verbs. So you're going to pull this up. It's on your schedule where you click. Let me click off of it. I want things to stop popping up. You click right here where it says Valentine verb on Language Arts, and then your recording sheet is down here. So when you click Valentine verb, this page pops up and you're going to scroll down. And there's going to be a picture of something doing something. This one happens to be an animal. It's not always going to be an animal, but this one's an animal and he's on a wheel. And what is this hamster maybe doing on the wheel? Also, I want to show you that right here, there's part of the word, but it's missing the first letter. So this is also a clue. We said that it looks like the hamster is running, but this is just the first part of that word, run. But it's missing the first letter. What is the first letter that you hear in run? R, right? So we would write an R. So this is what our recording sheet looks like. And here's our picture with our hamster, and he's on his little wheel. So we said that the first letter is R. So we're going to write R. And then when we look at our page, we see that it ends in UN. So we're writing the whole word on our recording page, but we have to make sure that we write the first letter of the verb too. Forgive my document camera. I have no idea why it keeps going in and out like that. But you're going to go through and find each of these pictures and write the verb that each of these people are doing. And remember that a verb is an action or something that you do. Okay? So running, kicking, jumping, reading, writing, drinking. One of our friends had a water bottle, so drinking or eating. Those are all verbs and all things that you can do. Okay? I hope that this helps you with your activity later, and I hope that you find it fun. And I hope that you have a good day, and I can't wait to see you tomorrow because I missed you today.